How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. First, you want to open Facebook on your device. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and now tap on your profile name, and that should open up your profile. Now, tap on the three dots, and over here you can find the turn professional mode off option. So, you want to tap on that option, and now tap on continue. So here it's going to tell you what will happen if you turn off professional mode. So as it says, you will not be able to earn money on your profile when professional mode is turned off, and you will no longer have access to professional dashboard or any professional mode tools. So if you are fine with this, you want to tap on turn off. And now it's going to say that the professional mode has been turned off successfully. Now tap on close, and now if you go back to your profile, you can see that the professional mode has been turned off. And that is it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.